So this is a phase 2 trial. Phase 2 trials are looking at efficacy of novel combination of treatments. The combination that we are using in this particular trial is a palbociclib, which is a novel agent. It blocks the CDK4/6 pathway, and we combine this with endocrine therapy, with tamoxifen, which is a standard line of therapy for breast cancer patients with hormone receptor positive, HER2 negative. By adding palbociclib to tamoxifen, we are hoping to increase the chance to kill cancer cells by this combination and to provide a longer progression-free survival and survival in general. We are looking at the response rate in this trial, and we are also looking at some correlative studies. And by correlative studies, we are looking at blood tests and also tests that are done from the tumors, trying to identify markers that will signal response to this combination of therapy, as well as resistance. So for example, when we see that patients don't respond to a particular combination, we are trying to identify biomarkers that are associated with that and see if that will help us and better understand the biology. We know from previous studies that not every patient will respond to the combination treatment, so we are hoping to find a way to identify those patients. This is a very important area of research nowadays in breast cancer, so we are hoping with our study to be able to advance the field. We see good responses from the current treatment that we have, but again, not everybody responds. We still have patients that progress, and we still need to improve in the overall survival for metastatic breast cancer. We have multiple options, but it's important to identify the subgroup that responds to a particular combination of agents. Big Ten Cancer Research Consortium it's a great opportunity for us to collaborate with the other world-class institution and will make our trial more successful.
This clinical trial is a phase 2 study of palbociclib in combination with tamoxifen as first-line therapy for metastatic hormone receptor positive breast cancer. Tamoxifen is an active endocrine therapy for women with hormone receptor positive breast cancers. It is used in both pre- and postmenopausal women. Even if the cancer first responds to tamoxifen, it can develop resistance to tamoxifen and stop working. Palbociclib is an enzyme inhibitor that interrupts the growth of cancer cells and prevents resistance to endocrine therapy. This study is being done to find out if adding palbociclib to tamoxifen does a better job of killing cancer in pre- and postmenopausal women. This study will help researchers learn if adding palbociclib to tamoxifen is better, the same, or worse than the usual approach. Palbociclib and tamoxifen have separately been approved for use in advanced breast cancer by the Food and Drug Administration in the United States. However, palbociclib in combination with tamoxifen is investigational. This means that the FDA has not approved this combination of drugs for your type of cancer. You may be eligible to participate in this study if you have hormone receptor positive, HER2 negative, advanced breast cancer, and have not received prior systemic anti-cancer therapies. There are other criteria that must be met to be eligible for this study. Talk to your doctor to learn more. A full description of this clinical trial is also available at www.clinicaltrials.gov using trial number 02668666.